Your Swatch chronograph doesn't work properly after battery replacement, I'm going to show you in this video how to realign all the watch hands of the chronograph function. Welcome to another video, guys. I'm George from Vintage Radar, and today I'm going to show you how to realign the watch hands on your Swatch Chronograph watch. Here we have the Omega Swatch watch, so the moon swatch, but this tutorial is going to work for all Swatch Chronograph watches. So we have the two pushers right here in order to start and then in order to stop and reset. After the reset, all the watch hands of the chronograph function should be pointing at 12 o'clock. So these two top sub-dials and the main chronograph seconds hand should be pointing perfectly at 12 o'clock. Here we have the sub-dial for the seconds hand. Now in order to realign them, we are going to pull the crown to the first position, and here we are going to use the top pusher in order to reset the sub-dial for 1/10 of a second. So you can also press and hold in order to move faster. Make sure to go one by one at the top because you cannot go backwards. Now if I press the bottom pusher in the same position, so on the first position of the crown, I can realign the seconds hand of the chronograph function. Now in order to realign this sub-dial, so for the minute, we need to pull the crown to the second position, so all the way where you would actually set the time, and we are going to use the top pusher either one by one or once again press and hold in order to speed scroll, and I'm going to align it at 12 o'clock. Now as you can see, both the sub-dials and the seconds hand of the chronograph feature are pointing at perfectly 12 o'clock. I'm going to push the crown all the way back in, and now we are going to test the chronograph. So we can see that it started from 12. I'm going to pause it, and then I'm going to reset it at 12 o'clock. We are also going to test the sub-dial for the seconds hand as well. Let's do that. And as you can see, guys, all of them are at 12 o'clock. So that is how you can reset or realign the watch hands of the chronograph function on your Swatch Chronograph watch. This is going to work for all Swatch Chronograph watches, the moon swatch included, Swatch Irony as well, and furthermore it might also work on other chronograph watches as well. Now if you enjoy this type of content, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.